Hello everyone, welcome to SSB Crack Exams. My name is Sakshi Sahu. I hope you all are doing great. So let's continue our series of Bharat Ratna awardees, and this will be the part 2. Before beginning, I would like to tell you, if you're preparing for defense examination sitting back home, SSB Crack is best for you. It is a one-stop solution for all the major defense-related examination, be it CDS, NDA, AFCAT, Territorial Army or others. For more details, visit our website ssbcrackexam.com. There you can find the entire package of courses, mock tests, quizzes and study materials. You can also follow us on our social media platform, Instagram, Twitter and Telegram for more defense updates and notification. Do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. You can also download our mobile app SSB Crack Exams from Google Play. So let's continue with the year 1991. So the Bharat Ratna in the year 1991 was given to Morarji Desai. He was the 4th Prime Minister of India and he led the government formed by the Janata Party in the year 1977 to 1979. Desai, he holds the international fame for the peace activism. He was the first non-Congress Prime Minister of India. In the same year, that is the 1991, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel also got the Bharat Ratna. He is popularly known as the Iron Man of India and the Bismarck of India for his contribution to India in the unification of India. He was the first Deputy Prime Minister of India and also the senior leader of the Indian National Congress and a founding father of the Republic of India. And again in the same year, 1991, Rajiv Gandhi also got Bharat Ratna. He was the 6th Prime Minister of India from the year 1984 to 1989. Not only India's, but he was one of the youngest elected heads of the government in the world. He took the office after the assassination of his mother, Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. Later in the year 1992, Jahangir Ratanji Dadabhai Tata, he is famously known as JRD Tata, he got the award. He was an Indian aviator, entrepreneur and chairman of the Tata Groups. He is best known for being the founder of several industries under Tata Group such as the TCS, Tata Motors, Titan, Voltas and Air India. He also received the Padma Vibhushan along with the Bharat Ratna. In the same year, 1992, Satyajit Ray was also awarded with Bharat Ratna. He was an Indian film director, writer and illustrator. Ray's first film, Pather Panchali, it won 11 international prizes including the inaugural Best Human Document Award at the 1956 Cannes Film Festival. Along with him in the same year 1992, Maulana Abul Kalam got Bharat Ratna. He was an Indian scholar, Islamic theologian, independence activist and a senior leader during the Indian independence movement. He was also the first Minister of Education in India and the Minister of Human Resource Development. Later, in the year 1997, Gujarilal Nanda, he was awarded with Bharat Ratna. He received the honor posthumously. He was an Indian politician, economist who specialized in labor issues. He was the Prime Minister of India for 2 short periods, following the deaths of Jawaharlal Nehru in 1964 and Lal Bahadur Shastri in 1966. In the same year, in the 1997, Aruna Ashraf Ali, she was awarded. She was Indian educator, politician, activist and a publisher. She is remembered for hoisting the Indian national flag at the Gowalia Tank Maidan during the Quit India movement in the year 1942. She became the first mayor of Delhi as well. Now our most favorite, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Azad. He received the highest honor in the 1997. He was an Indian aerospace scientist and politician who served the 11th President of India from the year 2002 to 2007. He is known as the Missile Man of India for his work on the development of ballistic missile and launched vehicle technology. In the year 1998, Chidambaram Subramaniam was awarded with Bharat Ratna. He was an Indian politician, independence activist, and he also served as a Minister of Finance and Minister of Defense in the Union Cabinets. He started the Indian Green Revolution. In the same year, that is on 1998, MS Subbulakshmi, she was awarded with Bharat Ratna and she was an Indian Carnatic singer from Madurai, Tamil Nadu, and she was the first musician ever to awarded the Bharat Ratna. She is the first Indian musician to receive Raman Magsaysay Award as well. Later, after 1 year later, In the year 1999, Pandit Ravi Shankar, he was awarded with Bharat Ratna, and he was an Indian musician, composer of Hindustani classical music, and he was the best known proponent of sitar in the second half of 20th century. He served as a nominated member of Rajya Sabha, that is the upper house of the Parliament of India. In the same year, in the 1999, Loknayak Jayaprakash Narayan, he was awarded posthumously. He is popularly known as Loknayak, which means the people's leader. He is also known as the hero of Quit India movement. Along with Bharat Ratna, he was awarded Magsaysay Award for the public service in 1965. In the same year, in the year 1999, Amartya Sen, a Nobel Prize awardee, was also given Bharat Ratna. He is an Indian economist, made his contribution to the welfare economics, social choice theory, economics, social justice, and so many other theories. He was awarded with the Nobel Memorial Prize in Economic Sciences. In the same year, 1999, Lokpriya Gopinath Bordoloi, he was awarded with Bharat Ratna. He was an Indian independence activist who served as the first Chief Minister of Assam. The then Governor of Assam, Jairam Das Daulatram, he had given him the title of Lokpriya. Now, India's most favorite singer, Lata Dinanath Mangeshkar, she was awarded with Bharat Ratna in the year 2001. She is an Indian playback singer and a music director. She recorded songs in over 1,000 Hindi films and has sung songs in over 66 regional Indian languages and also the foreign languages. She received many awards, which includes Padma Vibhushan, Dada Phalke Awards, Padma Bhushan, Bharat Ratna, and many others. Ustad Bismillah Khan, he got the award in the year 2001. He is an Indian musician credited with popularizing the Shehnai. Ustad Bismillah Khan is credited with the elevating of the status of Shehnai and bringing it to the concert stages. Pandit Bhimsen Joshi, he was awarded in the year 2008. He is an Indian vocalist from Karnataka in Hindustani classical tradition. He is known for Khayal form of singing, and he is the first musician from India whose concert was advertised through the posters in the New York City. And finally, in the year 2014, the god of cricket, Sachin Tendulkar, was given the award and was given the Bharat Ratna. He is a former international cricketer and a former captain of the Indian national team. He scored over 100 international centuries and the first batsman to score a double century in a one-day international. C.N.R. Rao, an Indian chemist who worked mainly in the solid state and structural chemistry, he was awarded with Bharat Ratna in the year 2014. He is described as a scientist who has won all the possible awards in his field except the Nobel Prize. Later, in the year 2015, Madan Mohan Malviya has been awarded with Bharat Ratna. He was an Indian scholar, educational reformer, and a politician. He is also the four-time president of Indian National Congress and the founder of Akhil Bharatiya Hindu Mahasabha and also the All India Brahman Mahasabha. In the same year, 2015, Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji was awarded with Bharat Ratna. He served 3 terms as the Prime Minister of India. He is popularly known because he carried out Pokhran 2 nuclear test in 1998 during his term, and his birthday, that is the 25th December, is celebrated as the Good Governance Day. And the most recent one, in the year 2019, Pranab Mukherjee, a former President of India and a 13th President of India who served India from 2012 to 2017, he was awarded with Bharat Ratna. Mukherjee has been a senior leader in Indian National Congress, and he also served as a Union Finance Minister from 2009 to 2012. In the same year, the award was also conferred to Bhupen Hazarika, and he was awarded in 2019. Bhupen Hazarika was an Indian playback singer, lyricist, musician, poet, and a filmmaker, and he belonged to Assam. He is popularly known as Shuddhakanta, and he introduced the culture of folk music of Assam and Northeast India to the mainland Hindi cinema at the national level. Along with him, in the same year, 2019, Nanaji Deshmukh was awarded with Bharat Ratna. He was a social reformer and politician and honored with Padma Vibhushan as well. He worked in the field of education, health, and rural self-reliance. He was a leader of Bharatiya Janasangh and also the member of Rajya Sabha. So as I told you before, our forefathers had set the legacies very high. Let's do our bit by getting motivated and make this country a better India. I'll see you guys soon. Till then, work hard. Jai Hind.